Squat workout. Get ready to sculpt and strengthen your lower body with our intense squat workout. In this invigorating exercise routine, we'll guide you through a series of squat variations designed to target your glutes, quadriceps, hamstrings, and core muscles. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced fitness enthusiast, this workout is suitable for all fitness levels, as we'll provide modifications and progressions to challenge you at your own pace. Prepare to improve your lower body strength, enhance your balance, and boost your overall fitness. Grab your workout mat and let's squat our way to a stronger, fitter you. How many squats is a good workout? The number of squats in a good workout can vary depending on factors such as fitness level, goals, and overall strength. However, a general guideline is to aim for around 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions of squats. This rep range allows for a balance between building strength and muscular endurance. As you progress and become more comfortable with the exercise, you can gradually increase the number of sets, repetitions, or even incorporate additional challenges like adding weights or trying different squat variations. Remember to listen to your body, maintain proper form, and gradually increase the intensity to avoid overexertion or injury. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new tips. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.